Hi friends. So this is the third part of the Codable series, and in this video we will be dealing with some complex JSON, and we will is looking out at how to parse that JSON as well, and some nested JSON within a JSON. So let's start that thing. So this is a JSON we are going to parse. It has so now you can see the base structure earlier was this, which was a dictionary, and now the base structure is an array. So array of two objects basically, and those objects have a name, one attribute as is active, one age attribute, and one a mini JSON or a dictionary, you can say, at address, which has two keys, state, country, and one company as an object which has a name and a salary. So we will be parsing this JSON. Fine. So let's make some of the changes. First things first, that we have to change the URL, of course, and then I will be changing this foo as a user, and we have name, age, and is active. Name, age, and is active, all okay. Now I will be adding one more structure, that is address. And address has what? A state and a country. State, which is a string, and country again, which is a string, and that is also decodable or codable, whatever you want. I'm writing decodable because I just need to decode that. I will not use this for encoding, but if I want to use this as encoding, then I can use codable also. So it doesn't matter you write codable or decodable if you are decoding the thing. Okay, now the keys are perfectly valid here, so I don't need this enum thing, or I can just write name, age, key, but probably all the keys are similar here as per my model, so I don't need this enum for the time being. I need a new key as address, where address is a new property and that will be of type address. Address on the other hand has state and country, which is also a decodable struct, and we have a state and country exactly the same as our structure model. Okay, and we will be not parsing the company for the time being. So let us parse the four things first: name, age, is active, and address. And what is the user? User is this object, and the complete JSON is the array of these users. So we have two objects here basically. So how we will deal this? So we have this complete JSON, and in case of array we have to use this block, and we'll pass the name of the structure model which will be doing the complete parsing of the objects present in the array. So the array of users, means here this one, the complete array. This is an array of users, and these are the user objects. So treat this as a separate JSON basically, which we are doing since the last two videos. So we will doing the same thing. The name, age, is active, and address will be parsed in that thing. Okay, so let's give a try first whether it will work or not. Okay, perfect. So this had worked actually, and you can see that we have two users. One is John, one is Steve, and both are parsed. And you can just write the complete you can just print the complete array here. I've just printed the complete array here. You can also print separately the JSON, or you can say basically it's not JSON now, it's users, and you can obviously print the name, address, or whatever. So let's print the name. I'll just interpolate the string. Let's put the name, and let's print the state. So address dot state of the users. Let's comment this line. Let's see what happens. So we will have John and Steve with their respective states. So John is from Delhi, Steve is from Mumbai. So John is from Delhi, you can verify, and Steve is from Mumbai. So this is the way we can parse some complex JSON, which is an array itself, and we can also parse multiple nested JSON in the main JSON. So here the nested JSON was the address, and in this address we have state and country. So I wrote this address object here, and that address object is decodable itself. So whenever the decoder tries to decode user, it will go to address field as well, and it will work as the same way as it is working for the users. Fine. So this is a very small video for the parsing of a little complex JSON. We will be dealing with some more complex JSON later on, and we will be doing this company thing as well, where I will not be holding the company object. I will just be holding a salary object in my structure model in the next video. So see you in the next video. Anything you want to hear from me, or any problems you found in the video, please do comment. Thank you so much for watching this.